Hey, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how I like to export from Rhino. Personally, I like to skip the process of using any other applications that I don't need to. So I'm just going to do the print command. And so I type in print. Here I have a 2D drawing layout. And you can see Rhino has given me the print window. And I want to make sure I'm using one of the PDF options. So I have Adobe PDF on my computer, I have Bluebeam, I have Microsoft, and I have Rhino PDF. Everyone at the very least should have Rhino PDF and Microsoft PDF. I like to use the Bluebeam one, but really they're pretty similar. And the main thing we need to make sure is we're setting our size, paper size. This doesn't matter so much for what we're going to do today, but you can export and make sure that you have the size of the paper that you're going to print to correct. So we're making a PDF and we're going to rescale it in InDesign, so right now it doesn't matter, but I'll leave it at letter size. And then to tell our Rhino what part of our Rhino world we want to print, we click here under the View and Output Scale section, set it to Window, and then click this button here that says Set. So you click that, and right now you see that the mouse changed. It wants us to define the print window. And we do that basically by drawing a rectangle. So you see I've drawn in a lighter gray the frames around my drawings. This is very important so that everything aligns and that these plans are always in the same space within the frame. So I'm going to click, you can see my snaps are on, and I'm going to click here and click here, the two corners of my frame. And since it's a letter size, you can see that this thicker line represents the print preview. And it's okay that it's going a bit above. What matters is that I clicked and I oriented my print window exactly to my frame in Rhino. So now I'm going to hit enter. And see we have a little preview of the window I just made. And there are other options like vector or raster output. This just means raster is a pixelated version. Vector is defined by the actual curves. And in general, it shows up much better resolution when you're doing line work. So leave it on vector. If you're doing color, which no one is today, you can do print color, but I would just leave it on black and white. You can see print color is what your print layer is set to, and then just display color is the actual color of the layer. So you can see this is pink. But I'm going to leave it on black and white for now. And we are ready to print. So I'm going to click print. Rhino is asking me where to save my print. So I'm going to go to my folder. I'll just put it in the desktop for now. And I'll write structure plan 01. Great. So now in my PDF viewer, as you can see, I have my plan. So now I'm going to put this plan in InDesign, but that'll be in a separate video.